Understanding musical intervals. Part 3. This video will be the last of the musical intervals, for now, so that we can move on to more interesting and exciting musical topics. To invert any basic interval, there are two simple and easy rules to follow. Rule 1 is that the interval and its inversion must add up to 9, which is exactly one more than the 8 notes of an octave. If that doesn't make sense yet or seems arbitrary right now, then learn and practice some more music theory and see if you start to think to the contrary. Rule 2 is that the interval quality category will always flip, except for the perfect intervals, which always stay perfect because they're just that perfect, as has been mentioned in the previous videos. That means major flips to minor and minor flips to major, diminished flips to augmented and augmented flips to diminished, double diminished flips to double augmented, and, lastly, double augmented flips to double diminished. This has 3 primary applications, when you start to use them for chords and keys. The 3 applications are based on the verticality being used, whether you are going up, going down, or going in octaves, and I have examples for all. If you go up from D to the F above it, the interval is a minor third. Now, if you want to go up to the next D above the F that you're currently on, the interval is a major sixth. If you go down from B to the B flat below it, the interval is a minor second. Now, if you want to go down to the next B below the B flat that you're currently on, the interval is a major seventh. If you start on E flat and go up a major sixth, you'll end at C. If you go back to that same E flat and go down a minor third, then you'll end at the C an octave below the other C above the E flat. This helps me personally because I can simplify the interval inversions as being octave equivalent in a way. But all 3 of those previous examples are interval inversions. Now, here are all the intervals in order of interval distance, and, in the same terms of that, octave equivalent. A minor second down equals a major seventh up. A major second down equals a minor seventh up. A minor third down equals a major sixth up. A major third down equals a minor sixth up. A perfect fourth down equals a perfect fifth up. An augmented fourth down equals a diminished fifth up. A perfect fifth down equals a perfect fourth up. A diminished fifth down equals an augmented fourth up. A minor sixth down equals a major third up. A major sixth down equals a minor third up. A minor seventh down equals a major second up. A major seventh down equals a minor second up. Now, it might seem confusing, at first, with the up and down not relating to the interval distance, but instead relating to the same note an octave apart. However, that's what helped me learn them better and faster when I first started.